Welcome to the Dazzies Unite YouTube channel. I started this channel to bring together all of my favorite things about Daz Studio, 3D rendering software. I wanted to see product reviews. I wanted to see a comprehensive track of tutorials on various aspects of the software. And I didn't find too much of that already out in the marketplace and online. So I decided to create this channel just for my purposes, but I wanted to share it with all of you as well. So you'll find product reviews, you'll find a beginner track of tutorials for Daz Studio, and then an intermediate level track. So feel free to keep stopping by, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos and tutorials, and thanks for joining us. Also, we have a Facebook group, and you're more than welcome to join us. In there, we'll mostly be talking about questions and answers. We'll be sharing tutorials. So feel free to pop on in, and we really appreciate having you with us.